Solid edge wiring design supports multiple industry sectors, so whether you are designing a machine with a three-phase routed connection where you need to bend, fold, and add chamfered connections to show wire routes, or you design vehicles with specific drawing standards, solid edge wiring design can help. Its simple, intuitive user interface and intelligent library parts automatically select parts as you proceed, as shown here. Solid edge harness design allows for the creation of non-scaled and full-size form board designs. Everything required to design or manufacture a harness is available, from clips, grommets, and insulation coverings, along with any additional components such as seals and plugs. Harnesses can be created from scratch in Solid Edge harness design, or be fed by the Solid Edge electrical routing product. Harness processing tasks, such as terminal part selection or wire length adjustment based on the selected connector, can be automated. Back in Solid Edge wiring design, electric circuits are validated. The application comes with built-in dynamic analysis, which can be run in the background. Qualitative analysis allows you to check the circuit for correctness, whereas numerical analysis can be used to indicate dynamically any voltage drop or load issues. The default wire length is 1 meter. We do not know about the physical length of wires here, but as Solid Edge electrical routing is part of the Solid Edge family, this is not a problem. We can directly interface between the electrical and mechanical worlds using connected mode. Wiring details can be passed to Solid Edge wiring design, and length information can be fed dynamically back into Solid Edge electrical routing. Solid Edge electrical is also tightly integrated with the mechanical CAD environment. Here we see the schematic for the electrical system on a test machine alongside the resulting 3D inside Solid Edge harness design. When running in this connected mode, cross-highlighting is supported in both environments. For example, selecting a wire, bundle, or connector in Solid Edge wiring design will highlight the corresponding item in Solid Edge electrical routing. Selecting items in Solid Edge electrical will highlight the corresponding item in Solid Edge wiring design too. Additionally, any changes made in either environment will transfer across, such as changing the color of these wires in the electrical environment. These changes can quickly and easily be sent to Solid Edge in order to update the harness. Also, wire lengths will be transferred from Solid Edge so that it's possible to properly analyze the impact on wire and gauge or fuse size and to calculate the voltage drop, as these will help reduce costs and trap any potential safety issues. It's not even necessary to have both applications on the same computers, as connected mode works across a network, providing true cross-collaboration between the mechanical and electrical domains, helping save time and improve quality during the design process. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.